How to log in to Netspend Western Union account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Netspend Western Union and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option. Log in Western Union Netspend account. Open it. This account is created through a collaboration between Netspend, a prepaid gift card company, and Western Union, a big international bank. If you have a Western Union Netspend account or card, I'm here to help you to log in. Once you're in this login page, you can easily provide your credentials and log into your account. First up, type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember username. In the case you have forgotten the username or the password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into your Western Union Netspend account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.